Austin Smith is one of dozens of defendants in the state's civil lawsuit to get back misspent TANF dollars. Smith has brought his own lawsuit accusing Governor Tate Reeves of illegally spending TANF dollars to pay a private law firm to bring that lawsuit.
The result of this suit is governmental waste. The same type of waste that we're complaining about is what the governor's performing himself by maintaining this suit.
Smith's attorney Jim Wade was in a Hinds County Circuit Court Monday arguing against a motion from the governor's lawyer to dismiss the 14-page lawsuit. Smith is nephew of former DHS Director John Davis, the central figure in the $77 million welfare fraud scam. The state is suing Smith along with NFL Hall of Famer Brett Favre, the USM Athletic Foundation, along with dozens of other people and entities to get back some of the misspent millions.
If those attorneys are successful, then those funds that would have been lost are going to be returned to the Treasury to be utilized for TANF benefits.
Shannon, can we speak with you?
No comment.
The governor's attorney, Rex Shannon, didn't want to comment after the hearing, but in the courtroom, he asked the judge to throw out the suit because Smith's claims is legally insufficient. Shannon says state and federal law does allow the state to use TANF dollars to recover stolen federal welfare funds. Shannon also told Judge Winston Kidd the head of the Department of Human Services and not the governor signed the contract with the law firm Jones Walker.
The governor's in charge of the State Department of Human Services. He appoints the director and he sets the policy, and we believe he did, based largely on statements he's made to the media. We believe he selected the attorneys and ultimately made the decision.
A spokesman for Governor Reeves says Smith's lawsuit has, quote, absolutely no merit. A ruling in this case could come within the next 10 days. Reporting from the Hinds County Courthouse, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.